Welcome to my new project is the Tikabisa big assignment that relate with Java programming that use NetBeans IDE 7.0.1 to make my project. And my project I use the library management system that use in NetBeans IDE. And then I want to show you about my running codes of my projects. I point the running. And then we will load the login form that have two options. We have username and password. My username we have two positions. We have administrator and the user. User is a librarian or other user. And then I want to show you the first of the administrator position. And then I write password. And then I click the login button. And we will go to the admin or the form administration that we have form menu ribbon. We have file, edit, view, and about, and we have sub button, add book, delete book, edit book, search book, and view information. And the first I want to show you the main menu ribbon is file. They have book information and exit book, exit button. Sorry. The first I will point on the book information. We will load the information of the book that we can add, delete, and edit. In here we have the book ID from 0 from 1 until the 0 from 112. And then now I want to adding more the book in here. I choose the economist and the book name in here. I write the eco macro book, and the author is Haskell, and the quality in here I choose 10, and the price is $30, and the rank is 4. And then I point on the add button, and let's go to altogether with the news of book ID that I just edit more is a book ID 114, economist book name. The book category is economy, and the book name is Eco book, and my author is Haskell, and the quality is like that. And that is I want to delete for this data. I just only touch on the delete button. We will delete for the data. Okay, I delete on the delete button. As you delete data is set, and you say okay. The data that I just adding at the current list, it was to delete already. And then is you want okay, and then if you want to search for the data in here, you also can search. You just only write the IDs of the book. Example, I write ID 104, and we show you about the book that is 104. Its ID is 104. Economic system, yes, made by Robert Bundy Allison. It is all the information that relate with the book that you are is administrator. And then you can go to the new book category if you want to adding the new book category in here. Is the form for the book category information. If you want to edit more for the book category name, you can go in here and you adding. In here I adding more the one more subject is biography biography's book name, and we will add for the book the biography's book, and the ID is 12 because I was test for 11 and delete, so we over to the 12 because I ever edit it already one time ago. And that is I want to delete for this, so these books I can point on the delete button. We will delete for this book category information, and we say delete data is a set, and okay, the book that I adding currently is what to delete. And then I point the back. I want to go back to the book information that I just showed you, and you back again. You will go to the admin or the form administration, and then I want to explain you the next is edit menu ribbon that we have add new admin or user. In here We can adding more the user or the admin in this form. Example, I want to adding more the username is Haskell, and the password I put myself is K, and then I choose my position as the librarian, is a user librarian, and then I point on the add new. It say new user was successful, create name Haskell, password and permission is librarian, and we put OK. We will load the new of the librarian or user in here. It is the new of the librarian, and then we can delete if you want. If I want to delete for the user number 4, I just select on here and I click on the delete button. And we show you the mistake that deleted data was success, and the user that you just create was to delete. Okay, and I click on the back button. We will go to the mains form as a menu section, and then I want to show you the menu ribbon that we show you about the view book information. View book information, we just show you that you want to know that the book in the library have how many of the book in here. You just point on the button list book. We can show all the book that have in library, but for me it just only have only from 101 to 105. And then we can select the one of the category that you want to show, like IT. If you set you choose IT, we show only the IT information is for the administrator position. And then if you want to know about the book that was to borrow by the librarian, we can click on this button that name list borrow book, and we show that have for student that was borrowed for this book. And this book we want to detail on the table in here that we have four, that the borrow is Java bone, you have a event window phone, or you have an intermediate. And in here we can show that the book we have two options. We have return and borrow. If you choose return, we show only the return. If we choose borrow, we show only the borrow of the book. And then if you want to know that the student that have in here the list student, we can point on the list student that we can know that all the students that have in your library. Okay, that ever go to library for yes, for watching books or the looking books or borrows book. And then we can go to the back for go return to the main menu of administration. And then I want to show you about the last menu ribbon is about me. About me, we want to show about the creator, the creator of the project. That this project is must created by the student name Tranbong Sahaska that must to finish of that 01/22/2014, and the topic Tiga Bisa is library management system is my email from haska@gmail.com. And if you want to show your achievement, we can go to here and we can show in here as well. We touch on this, we can know about the project that I want to do already is the Teka Satu, my first assignment that I must to create in first April, first June 2014. And here also we have can show about the date for making project and chatting. And the last is vocab, yeah, and the dates of the making project. Okay, you can close to this. And then we have some information that is sub button. We have add book that we will show already. It's just only for add book. If you want to add, we can go to here and back. If you want to delete, we can go to the sub link. If you want to edit book, you go to sub edit book. Is it is all that I was to show you already. Is search, you go to search. It's all that I want to explain you already in the first in the familiar return. The book information is similar. So I over there, and then I will show you if I'm be of librarian, not administrator, is librarian my position. And then I run again. I close and run again. Now I'm not to be administrator. I'm to be a librarian. So I choose librarian and I write password and then I click on login. We go to the librarian. It is the form for librarian management. The first you should to know about the book ID that you want to to search. The first I write one and the one and I push search. Yeah, this the book that have ID 101 is another thing. How the name book is how to make business by your it all the data that was show you by ID. If you want to search by the book category, you should know that what is the book category name. The first is Java book because the book is don't have. Okay, again. IT, yeah, the book category we have IT, we have three that we IT name is the book category is IT. We have three. We have Java book, C program language, and Windows Form. You can search elsewhere with the book name. If you choose book name option and you write the name of the book, it's example for Java book, and you should search. The names of the book that have Java book has only one in the library. And then if you want to register for register information, you can go to register information. Register information that it means that you want to register your name in here, that when you go to library you want to insert your name, you can go in here. And my name is Aska and my email and address is situ lama 3 and my phone is my email bung@gmail.com. Sorry. And my place of study IDB. My major is TMD and my share is 4. And then I click on the button register. And they say and below message that show you that you have been registered already. And you go to the last of the librarian is me that I just register just the currently is my name that I just input. And then it's for the register information, and then you go to back and you want to know about the borrow or return book, you can click on the button this button. Here we show you that which one of the book that you want to borrow. The first I want to choose my name Haska, and the book ID I want to borrow is the 109, that the name of the book is C program language that we will load automatically in this field. And then the borrow date that you want to borrow in today is January 24, 2014, and the date of the you want to return your book to the library is 31. And then you choose the button which one that you want to choose, borrows or return. And then I choose for the borrow. Okay, and we show you the message that now you have been borrowed one book for library ready. Yes, and we show your name in the list table list of borrowing books is your name. Okay, you can search also Haska. Yes, Haska that you when you write it, we can show Haska that we want to borrow your book. Okay, and then back is for information that relate with the library management, that you is a librarian or user for using library. And then We have one more form that is also important. I want to show you now is the PANI. Is the name is the PANI information. Right click and I should run fast. For financial information is that when you let for return the book that you borrow in library, if you over that for borrowing, example of two book that you want that you over for return to the library, and the price for finance is 10,000 rupiah. And then we calculate for totally for the money that you want to get to library. You click on calculate in, and then we show you the list that 220,000 that of rupiah that you want to go back pay back to the library information system is for phonetic information. Thank you for watching my Tika Visa, my big assignment that I use for Java programming. They use in the application that Win. They make my tutorial project is library management system. Thank you so much for watching my project.